What's up, guys? This video is going to be super quick. I'm just going to show you how to replace the dome lights. I am going to replace and put some LEDs, but I'm going to show you how to take it out because yeah, just in case, because I tried to find and I couldn't. So this is the deal here. This is a dome light and there are two little spaces right down here. So let me show you. Let me put my LEDs here. So you can see right here. There we go. It is out. So now the light, I'm gonna turn this on. That one is not working. So basically what you need to do, you gotta twist and take it out. Out. And now we're gonna put the new one. Done. And same thing here. You push and turn. And I'm gonna turn this off real quick. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's the same way as we did the other one. There you go. Push and turn. There you go. And now we find our dome thingy. Yeah, don't do like I did with the picking tool, because I was lucky at first. And this, now you push in and this goes in pretty good. There you go. So we just replaced the normal light bulbs. One thing, picking tool will work, but this is brittle because it's old and all that stuff. If you use a plastic tool and you can put the very end in there and slowly, you gotta understand that you need to push this plastic here out and the acrylic part in. So out and in, and then eventually you're gonna have a little click. And to put it back in, you push this in and it goes back in. So yeah, I hope this helps you. If you have a Supra, probably you're doing a lot of stuff yourself, or you're doing a lot of stuff yourself, or you're spending a lot of money to give it to someone to get those things done for you. So hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. There are a lot of videos coming up on the Supra. I have season 1, a bunch of episodes related to the dash. You see here is a little carbon fiber wrap. The other parts are here already, but we're gonna put it together. So hit the little bell, check it out, and I'll catch you later. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.